If it clouds, it clings. Both of these were cleaned, washed, and dried in 2 different laundry detergents. This one in the toxic blue goo that you find at the supermarket, and this one was cleaned with Truly Free. So this is a towel, and you have a t-shirt and a baby onesie. And put it inside a wash basin and just watch what is about to happen. And as you'll see, the clothes that have been cleaned here with Truly Free are Truly Free. It's clear. But this one, with the leading blue goo from the supermarket, as you'll see, that water is cloudy. There's actually a rim of microsuds forming on the fabrics. That cloudy water is toxic detergent residue, still trapped in your clothes, even after they've been washed and dried. Every day, your skin releases up to 2 cups of water, and that microperspiration rehydrates all of that detergent residue on your shirts, your pants, your underwear, and even your bedding. It pushes those chemicals straight into your skin. Our Truly Free wash leaves nothing behind. No toxins, no residue, just truly clean clothes. That's because we use plant-based ingredients and natural salts to break down grease, lift stains, and rinse away the clean with 0 residue. It works like magic, but it's pure, healthy science. And we've earned over 22,000 5-star reviews doing it. Truly Free is leading the green clean revolution. No toxins, no secrets, just results. Kick the toxins to the curb. Grab this limited time offer before it's gone. You'll get 300 loads of non-toxic laundry wash plus 300 bonus loads free. I'll even throw in our premium laundry machine cleaner as a free gift. All this for only $99. That's 600 loads of laundry wash for only 17 cents per load. Join the Truly Free movement today.